ordinal numbers. We have them in English. Why can't we have them in Spanish? Well, we do, and here we go. Primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo. Don't forget your accents. First thing to do is memorize them. If you don't know them, how are you going to use them? The second thing I want to say to you is use them or think of them as adjectives. And if I say I want you to use it like an adjective, your little spidey sense goes off and you're like masculine, feminine, singular, plural. I need to think about what noun am I referring to because these are probably going to change. So generally speaking, our ordinal numbers precede the noun to which they're referring. Let's look at a few examples. I want the second option. Quiero la opción. So second is segundo. But option here, opción, is feminine and singular. So we will have quiero la segunda opción. It is the 10th video in the series. Es el video en la serie. So video is masculine singular. So we will have décimo. Estamos en la novena camioneta. We are in the 9th truck. There is an interesting thing that happens with first and third. First and third, when they precede a masculine singular noun, they drop the O. For example, es el primer libro del autor. It is the first book of the author. Because libro is masculine and singular, we're going to drop that O. But if it's feminine, we don't do anything extra other than make it feminine. Es la primera novela del autor. Or third, vivo en el tercer piso versus vivo en la tercera casa. So first and third will drop that O. In English, we can write first with letters like F-I-R-S-T, or we can do that thing where you take like a 1 and then an S-T and then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the way through. We can do that same thing in Spanish, but there's a lot of variation on the way to do it. So here are just a few examples. You could say primer with that ER, or primera, or primero with just an O, segunda, tercero, quinto, séptima, octavo. You're like, all right, maestro, but how do I type that? Can I type this? Well, of course you can type this. One way is when you're with your Spanish keyboard, go up and look to the key that is to the left of the number 1. You click it, shift and click, shift and click, shift and click, and you get it right there. Now, sometimes Spanish, if like I'm in Microsoft Word, it might just autocorrect and do it for me. But there you go. Now you know where to find the O and the A. Although we just spent some time going over these, and you should know them, Spanish doesn't use them extensively. And you can go past 10. You could say 11th, 12th, 251st, 749th. But I don't want to go over that here, so I'll make a link in the description down below, and you can check out a video for someone else that explains this. Suerte!